Hello, if you wonder how many devices you can connect to your Tapo C120 camera, let me quickly explain. Using the function, which is right here in the options of the camera, share device, with this function you can share up to 5 TP-Link accounts, and also if you're logged in to this to your application, to your account on the application on the other device. Let me quickly show you. Right here on my other phone I have the camera right here, and here we have the peer review. Also right here on my other device I'm logged in to my account, and I can also peer review the camera right here. So basically I think it's unlimited actually for how many. I mean, it might be limited. I don't really know what's the precise number for how many devices you can be logged into, but if you want to share the camera to someone, it's up to 5 accounts. So that's a quick answer for your question. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.